Most men don't even realize that it's possible. They've heard of squirting, maybe seen it in porn, but they think it's either fake or only happens for certain women. But what if I told you that making a woman squirt is something any man can learn? That it's not about luck or being special. It's about doing the right things in the right order at the right time. And that if you follow these steps, you can make her squirt tonight. But first, this isn't just about a physical technique. If you go in with the goal of just making it happen, you'll miss the whole point. Because what leads to squirting isn't pressure, it's trust. Her body only lets go when she feels safe, desired, and relaxed. So, let's begin where this journey really starts, outside the bedroom. Because when a woman feels truly loved, supported, and held, her body can relax. And when she feels like she can lean on you, like you see her and care for her deeply, that's when sex stops being just physical. It becomes something else entirely. Most men focus on technique. But if you're not showing up as a good partner, if she doesn't feel safe with you emotionally, you're putting a ceiling on how great your sex life can be. And this is especially true when it comes to squirting. Why? You'll understand in just a moment. Now, once that foundation is there, the second thing she needs is something most men overlook. She needs to feel like this moment is just for her. No pressure, no expectations. So turn your phone off, lock the door, light a candle, put on soft music, and make the room feel like it's holding her. The more at ease she feels, the more her body will start to trust you. There's one more thing that will help her let go completely. You have to address the fear of making a mess. Let her go pee before you begin. That pressure she feels is totally natural because the G-spot sits right against the bladder. So when you arouse it, it creates a strong urge to pee. And this is exactly where trust becomes everything. If she doesn't feel loved, if she doesn't feel safe with you, that sensation will make her tense up and block the release. She will hold it in, sometimes without even realizing it, and she will never squirt. For a woman to surrender to that feeling, she has to trust you deeply. Her body needs to know it's safe to let go. So, put down a towel or waterproof sheet, and most importantly, reassure her that whatever happens, it's welcome, that you want her to let go. Now, if you want a custom plan to take your sex life to the next level and learn how to turn her on with your presence, not just your hands, click the link in the description. That's where I walk you through the exact steps to master this work and guide her into deeper pleasure than she's ever known. Now, with her mind at ease, we can focus on her body. The third step is to activate her whole body. Because if you just go straight for her genitals, it won't work. Her body will stay guarded, her pleasure limited. For women, sex is always a full body experience. If her shoulders are tight, if her hips are holding tension, if her chest is closed, her body can't fully open to receive pleasure. So, use warm oil and take your time. This is about helping her feel every inch of her body. Relax her shoulders, stroke her thighs, cup her breasts. The more you awaken her skin, the more sensations she can feel later. So don't rush it, don't skip it. The deeper her relaxation, the stronger her orgasm. Now, once she's melting in your hands, you can begin to stimulate her externally. Start around her clitoris with soft, teasing touches. Stroke gently. Let her body guide the rhythm. This isn't about getting her ready. This is the pleasure. Watch her breath. Listen for moans. Stay with what's working. Consistency is key. Don't switch it up too fast. And when her body is awake, this fourth step is where you slowly start building sexual energy. Start slow. Lubricate your fingers well. Place them at her entrance and gently dip in just a little. Let her body adjust to that feeling. Then use 2 fingers and begin longer, smoother strokes. You can stimulate her clit with your thumb at the same time. Now for number 5, because this is where most men go way too fast, but done right, it changes everything. You're now going to explore her A spot. It is above the G spot, so just feather in deeper along the front wall. Use soft circles with the pad of your finger. This area is very sensitive. And check in with her. Keep it connected. Here's the 6th piece, and this is where the real magic happens. The G spot. So you'll curl your fingers toward her belly button in the come here motion. Start slow. If she's aroused enough, you will feel the tissue begin to swell. This is where things really begin to build. So keep the rhythm, stay with her, let her ride the wave. Now, if you want to take her over the edge, the 7th step changes everything. It's the G-spot pump technique. So curl your fingers onto her G-spot and begin a steady pumping motion. Instead of just using your fingers, use your whole arm. This keeps the pressure strong without getting tired. As she gets closer, you will feel it. Her breath will shift. Her hips might start moving with you. You might hear a sound like water or feel her body start to shake. Now here's how to take it even further. Bring her knees to her chest. This position shortens the distance to her G-spot, allowing you easier access and more intense stimulation. So when she's getting close, this is when you can really increase the speed and intensity, which will help her release, aka squirt. Don't change the stroke at this point, you're just going a bit faster. If you want me to walk you through these techniques step by step and help you master the kind of touch that drives her wild, then click the link in the description. Now you just learned how to make her squirt, but what most men do next is where it all falls apart. Because when you go down on her, there's one move that instantly kills the mood. And you've probably done it without realizing. Click here and I'll show you exactly what it is so you never make that mistake again.